This is going to be reading for the sign of Gemini. So what you guys could possibly expect from now until the end of the month. So what's happening in your life? One card for what's really happening in Gemini's life right now. If you may know, Spirit, what's really happening in Gemini's life? Right now with Nine of Wands, you could be feeling a little wounded by the connection or the relationship that you are in. Nine of Wands is also a card where someone is basically not wanting to openly face a relationship. Okay, like you guys could feel like you guys have been going through a lot for the past few weeks. I would say, let's say 3 months and more. And you guys are basically tired, exhausted, drained from being a part of the connection. You no longer have that strength to go through it. It's not like you're quitting, it's just that you are feeling drained and exhausted. Okay, so let's see what else is happening in Gemini's life right now. What else do we see happening in Gemini's life? What else do we see happening in Gemini's life, Spirit, if you may know? With Ten of Swords, you guys could have gone through an ending recently, okay, in terms of relationship. With King of Pentacles, many of you guys almost thought that you guys would end up getting married with this person, but it ended. For some of you, your marriage could have ended or something committed could have ended, okay. Right now, that has left you feeling all drained and exhausted, okay. You guys have gone through an ending in your life. If it's not an ending, then you guys have feel backstabbed, like someone has stabbed you in the back, someone has let you down. You feel like, you know, you basically can't go through something more worse than what you guys are already going through. Okay, what else do we see coming up for the sign of Gemini? What else do we see coming up for the sign of Gemini? What else do we see coming up for the sign of Gemini? With Page of Pentacles and Ten of Wands, I believe that many of you guys right now could be wanting to start something fresh in your life, even though you feel like you don't have the strength necessary to move forward. I believe no matter what, you're going to move forward. With Two of Wands, you're eager to look forward in life, to look for other opportunities or better opportunities or basically better options. Okay, so in terms of your soulmate, a new old, how is your soulmate possibly coming forward towards you now? One card for how is the Gemini soulmate possibly coming forward towards Gemini now? How is the Gemini soulmate possibly wanting to come forward towards Gemini? The Chariot card, I've got Chariot card for literally 3-4 signs now. In the past, this person was holding back, but right now, even if they are coming forward, they are still playing mind games with you. Okay, so please be careful about that. This person could be a possible air sign, Libra, Aquarius, or it could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. For some of you, it could also be a Capricorn. Doesn't have to be, but you know, I believe that your person is coming forward, but is still playing mind games with you. Still wanting to get your reaction. Still doing something to basically get a reaction from you. Okay. With Five of Wands, this person has made you go through a lot of drama. Okay, but yes, I do see them coming forward. Okay, if that's what you're wanting. One card for the collective energy between the two of you in the coming weeks. What's the collective energy going to be like between Gemini and their soulmate in the coming week? One card for that. What's the collective energy going to be like between Gemini and their soulmate in the coming weeks? With Temperance card, I believe that you guys on some which way just want peace and balance in your life. Okay, top card is Three of Pentacles. So I believe this person will come forward and will try to make things right in this connection. Is possibly gonna wanna fix things with you. Okay, one card for their energy towards you. One card for Gemini soulmates energy towards Gemini's soulmates energy towards Gemini. This could also be a Sagittarius for some of you. Gemini soulmates energy towards Gemini in the coming weeks. With the Emperor card, I still see them, being very detached, cold, not wanting to express much, not wanting to say much, being very self-obsessed, self-focused. Okay, so they come off as very much. Like someone who's heartless. Okay, but the problem is this person could be a little elder to you, or behaves like the elder to you. So I believe for some of you there is an age difference. Okay, and that's why you guys like do not possibly gel well. Okay, could be a possibility. If it's not that, then they want things to be done their way. Okay, and being a Gemini, you would never do that. I mean, Gemini does not want to listen to anyone. Okay, so with 8 of Cups, I believe this person is still emotionally detached. Even if they come forward, I still see them being emotionally detached, just talking to you for the sake of it, just wanting to speak to you, just wanting to communicate with you, but in terms of emotion, still not wanting to give anything. Okay, I'll be very crystal clear about it. Okay, so one card for their current feelings, one card for their current feelings. What are their current feelings for the sign of Gemini? What are their current feelings for sign of Gemini? With Ace of Swords, I believe that they basically are wanting a practical connection with you, like an intellectual connection. They are not wanting to express their emotions. They might want to tell you that they find this connection very practical and stuff. With Ace of Swords, they do share a good intellectual connection with you. You guys can speak for hours and stuff, but the problem is that when it comes to expressing feelings, emotions, they just basically suck at that. Okay, with Ace of Swords, I believe they will communicate with you, so communication is definitely coming in. With Ace of Wands, this person could want to start something passionate with you, but Ace of Wands and Ace of Swords, I still see it as someone wanting something that is not so romantic. Okay, it could be sexual but not so romantic. Okay, in terms of how do they feel for you now? How do they truly feel for you now? One card for how does the Gemini soulmate truly feel for Gemini now? One card for how does Gemini soulmate truly feel for Gemini now? With the Hanged Man, this person is watching you from a distance. This person is definitely stalking you, but not taking action. Okay, so in the past as well, I believe this person was holding back, and this has been going on. This person is literally breadcrumbing you. Do you deserve this? May I ask you, do you deserve this? Okay, I do not know. It's not on me to judge you or anything, but it's just that this person is not wanting to give you more than what you you truly deserve. This person is just breadcrumbing you, just giving you the bare minimum, and is wanting you to stay at that. Okay, so that's what I see. Okay, so in terms of their intentions towards you, one card for their intentions. So what are their true intentions? The sign of Gemini, what are their true intentions for the sign of Gemini? One card for that. Intentions in terms of what are they wanting to do, like what action they want to take for the sign of Gemini. With Page of Swords, this person is basically holding back. Okay, they are keeping a watch on you, they're keeping a tap on you. 100% this person is stalking you. I have the Hanged Man, I have the Page of Swords. Okay, so that tells me that this person is definitely resisting from completely opening up, but keeping a watch on you. This person could also be behaving defensive. Okay, in terms of intentions, they want to keep a watch on you. They want to keep the tap open. Basically what I mean is that they want to see that this connection remains open to them. They're not wanting to lose you. It's just that they're not wanting to do much about it. Okay, what you could expect from this person in the coming weeks? What you could possibly expect from this person in the coming weeks? What can the sign of Gemini possibly expect from their person, that is their soulmate, in the coming weeks? the Knight of Cups, I do feel eventually you guys will get attention, but it will take time. Okay, this might take time for some of you. This person might want to take their own sweet time before opening up, but I do see them wanting to express or wanting to start expressing feelings, but it will take time. They will take their own sweet time. So by the end of the month, you guys could expect some sort of feelings being expressed, or this person giving you attention. Okay, top card is Four of Swords, so this will take time. Right now they have taken a break from you. Right now they are not really wanting to like being very open to you and stuff. Bottom card is Three of Wands. They have kept you waiting. Okay, so one card for where this connection is possibly moving forward for the sign of Gemini and their soulmate. Where is this connection possibly moving forward for the sign of Gemini and their soulmate? One card. With the High Priestess, I do not see much happening. You guys are still gonna not have a lot of communication. Okay, with Ten of Wands, this connection, this relationship is a burden more than happiness for you. With the Magician, this person is benefiting when you are not. Okay, what do they truly want from you? What do they truly want from you? One card for what does this person truly want from Gemini? What does this person truly want from Gemini? With Five of Cups, this person basically wants you to miss them, basically wants you to still want to hold on to them. So that's what I'm getting. They basically want you to stay stuck to them, darling. That's what I see with Five of Cups and Four of Pentacles. Okay, top card is Knight of Pentacles. So they still want this option to stay open. That's what they want. Okay, so let's take love messages from your person. Love messages from the sign of Gemini. Sorry, love message from Gemini soulmate to Gemini. One card we have here. I'm sorry, I need to focus on my career right now. Okay, let's go slow. Please be patient with me. Okay, so these are the two cards. I want to focus on my career for now. And second card is let's go slow. Okay, be patient with me. Okay, we have I'm sorry for being this hard to love in the reverse. So you guys already have trust issues being an air sign. As it is, this person is making you go through a lot. So I'll be very straightforward. Do not expect much. Yes, you will get attention from this person. Yes, they will communicate. Yes, they might even want to express, but I still see this person wanting you to cling on them or wanting to hold on to them. They are doing this so that your option remains open. Okay, so do not expect much this month. So this was your reading for the sign of Gemini. If this resonated, please do consider hitting the like button. It greatly helps my channel. The more you like the video, the more the likes it gets. I'll be doing at least 2 to 3 readings every month based on the highest likes got by each sign. Okay, so if that's what you want, then please do that. Okay, and thank you so much for coming in and for watching the video, for all the love that you guys have shared so far. Thank you so much. Okay, cheers.